are going to group according to the things. What are the things we have here? We have apple and we have carrots. Then we have mango. Okay children, now we are going to group them. Group them according to the things. Here we have 5 apple. These 5 apple are in one set or one group. That is called sorting. Grouping is called sorting. Now shall we sort these apples in one group? The apples are in one group. Then what are these? Carrot. Now we are going to group the carrot in one group. Next, what is this? Mango. Now we are going to group the mango in one group. Okay children, this is called sorting. We have many things. We are going to group them according to the same things. The apples are in one group, the carrot are in one group, and the mangoes are in one group. Okay children, this is called sorting. I hope you understood sorting. Next, we are going to learn big and small. Big, how we will show big? Big. And how we will show small? Small. Okay children, what are these? What are these? Chocolate. We love chocolate, isn't it? Okay children, what is this? This chocolate is small and this chocolate is big. See here, this chocolate is small and this chocolate is big. Big chocolate and small chocolate. Shall we circle the small chocolate? Now we are going to circle the small chocolate. Now what is this? Fish. What is this? Fish. We have 2 fish, isn't it? One fish is big and other fish is small. Now we are going to circle the big fish. Shall we circle the big fish? Okay, we are going to circle the big fish. This big fish is big. We have circled the big fish. Now, next we are going to learn long and short. How we will show long? We will show long like this and short like this. See here, we will write using the pencil, isn't it? This pencil is long, this pencil is short. Shall we circle the short pencil? We are going to circle the short pencil. Now we are going to circle the short pencil. Now what is this? Snake. What is this? Snake. One snake is long and the snake is short. Okay children, this snake is long, this snake is short. Shall we circle this short snake? Now we are going to circle the short snake. What we have learned? Sorting, big and small and long and short. Next we will see the other topic. Now we are going to learn heavy and light. Heavy and light. What is meant by heavy? Which is more in weight or hard to lift is heavy and which is easy to lift is light. Shall we find which is heavy and which is light? How we will have the balloon in our hand? We will take it easily, but lifting apple is heavy. This balloon is light and apple is heavy. Balloon is light and apple is heavy. Now we are going to circle the light one. Shall we circle the light one? Okay children. Next, what we are having? Paper and we are teddy bear. What we are having? Paper and teddy bear. Which is easy to lift? Yes, paper is very easy to lift and teddy empty. This is full, this is empty. This is full and this is empty. Next, we are going to learn more and less. What we are going to learn? More and less. More means which have many things. Less means which have some things. Okay, children. Now we are going to count the leaves in the branches. Okay. Shall we count? 1, 2, 3. How many leaves we have? 3 leaves. How many leaves? 3 leaves. Then shall we count here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. How many leaves we have? 6 leaves. Which is more and which is less? This is more. This tree have more leaves. This tree have only less 3 leaves. This is less. This is more. Shall we circle the less one? Now, which is less? This one. We are going to circle the less one. Next, what is this? Apples. We have 2 sets of apples. See here, these 2 apples. How many apples are here? 1, 2. There are only 2 apples. Then see here, how many apples we have? Shall we count? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We have 5 apples in this side and 2 apples in this side. Which is more and which is less? This apple is more and this apple is less. This is more, this is less. Now shall we circle the more apples? Now I am going to circle the more apples. Next, I hope you understood more and less. See here, this have many leaves. This have less leaves. This is more, this is less. See here, we have 5 apples and we have only 2 apples. This is more, this is less. Next, we are going to learn same and different. What we are going to learn? Same and different. See here, what we are having here? Yes, we have 2 umbrella and only 1 cup. Which is different? This one is different, isn't it? Now shall we circle the different one? These 2 umbrellas are same and this 1 cup is different. Next, what is this? Balls. All these are balls. Which one is different? See here, these 2 balls are small. This ball only is big. These 2 balls are small. This one only big. This is different. Shall we shade the same object, same balls? This one only different. These 2 are same and this one only different. I hope you understood same and different. What we have learned, children? Heavy and light, full and empty, more and less, and same and different. Prepare well for your exam, for your unit test from page number 7 to 17 in your numeracy skill book, and do the exam well.